All right, so this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to create your Sign Up Genius for our meet and greet. So signupgenius.com, if you do not already have an account, you can set up a free account. I'm already logged in. I'm going to click on create a sign up. Meet and greet in your name. You're going to add a group here if you don't have a group. That's really insignificant. So I already have a group created. I'm going to go ahead and just click on that for time's sake. Click here. I'm choosing education in both of those. You've got some choices. Anything with the little ribbon costs money, so stick to the freebies. Here under the cover that parents will open up, we're going to edit this message. Please copy and paste the verbiage that I included in this email. We want to lay out the specifics for our parents and what the regulations are going to be for the meet and greet. So I've pasted those in now. I'm going to save and continue. All right, leave this as sort by date. Go to add slots. We're just going to call it sorry, I can't type. Classroom visits. You can call it meet and greet. You can call it appointment. It's not a big significance there. All right, so now we're going to click on add dates and jump over to add time slots. We are doing these on Tuesday the 11th, Wednesday the 12th, and Thursday the 13th. Those are going to be the only available dates. You can start as early as you'd like. I'm going to put 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock p.m. I'm going to leave it at every 30 minutes. So now it's showing me that I have 42 available time slots for those 3 days for parents to pick from. Now you can go in and take out any time slots you want. If you are not an early riser, if you want lunch from 11:30 to 12, you can go in and take those out. I've got all my visits in there. I'm going to save and continue. All right, it's going to ask anybody who's signing up for their name, their email, and give them the ability to leave a comment if they'd like. Save and continue. It's going to give you a preview of what it looks like for parents. So when they log in, this is what they'll see. They can choose a sign-up time, and then they'll be good to go. They'll walk them through the process. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Publish. And then this is my link right here to share, copy link. So now I can put that into an email for the parents. So in your email to parents, please include your Sign Up Genius. Please also lay out those parameters again as to what our expectations are for our meet and greets. If you have any questions, just give me a buzz or shoot me an email. Most of you have my cell phone number. So thank you so much.